DSG Energy is proud to join hands with Masood Fabrics Ltd for this largest installation in South Punjab. Masood Fabrics, located in the heart of southern Punjab, Multan, has played its part in combating climate change by adding solar energy to its energy mix via DSG Energy's 3.5 megawatt solar power plant. With an estimated annual production of above 5 gigawatt hours, this plant will contribute to Masood Rumi Group's vision of contributing to the environment through 4,400 tons of carbon dioxide reduction, complying with UN Sustainable Development Goals. With Canadian Solar Supreme monoperk half-cell technology and customized hot dip structure for inverted beams, this 3.5 megawatt is the largest rooftop installation in the region. Via DS Global's technology partner, Huawei Fusion Solar Inverters with multi-MPPT technology, special IV curve diagnostic features, DS Global has raised the benchmark for solar installations in Pakistan. With DSG Energy's control room monitoring and operations through dedicated mobile app and EMS feature, this project stands out as a hallmark in the textile sector of Pakistan. Contact us 0311 374 374 or log on to www.dsgenergy.com.pk.